This is the whole Gaudiya Vaishnavism is actually a movement of Raganuga Bhakti. Lord Chaitanya says also in Chaitanya Charitamrita, Rag Marg Bhakti Prachar. It's one of the purposes. He said, I've come to preach Raganuga Bhakti. And you see, he preached it to Sanatana Goswami in the Madhya Lila and Sanatana Shiksha. He preached to Rupa Goswami. He preached through the mouth in Madhya Lila chapter 8 and Madhya Lila chapter 19 and Madhya Lila chapter and Antya Lila. The whole thing is all about Raganuga Bhakti and Gopi Bhav. He preached directly to Rupa Goswami and directly to Sanatana Goswami. Then they wrote about it, and he spoke directly through the mouth of Ramananda Roy, all about. And then he spoke to Swarup Damodar, and Swarup Damodar gave so many instructions to Raghunath Das Goswami, and whatever those instructions were, they fructified in Radhakund under the encouragement and association of Rupa Goswami and the blessings. That's why all the time, everywhere you find Raghunath Das writes so many verses in glorification of Rupa Goswami and Rupa Manjari, because he felt so indebted, because all the teachings he received for 16 years through the blessings of Mahaprabhu and through the direct teachings of Swarup Damodar were crystallized and realized by the mercy of Rupa Goswami. And this whole treasure is just going by. Like you stand by the tracks. Oh, there goes the train. Oh, I'm supposed to be on that train. You're driving to Mathura station, and you're late, and then you see the train going to Delhi, and you say, oh, I think that's the so-and-so express. It's on time, and I'm not. Zoom, it's like, well, maybe I can catch it somewhere. It doesn't stop. It's from Bombay. It just stopped in Mathura. Now it's lightning speed. So that's the unfortunate. We come to the shore of the ocean and don't ride the waves. You have the surfboard in your hand, your bathing suit on. So you got I'm a Gaudiya Vaishnava. I have tilak and neck beads and mala, and I have nectar devotion. I have Chaitanya. I have all books about Raganuga Bhakti. But I don't know what it is. I have no desire. Okay, fine. Don't worry about it. Carry on. I know about it. I want to do it, but I'm prohibited. Well, then, how much do you want to do it? Then you'll see whether you really have greed or not. Your greed will set you free.